Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn keyword research with Semrush, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Semrush website. If you do not have an account yet, click on the sign up button to create one. Log in to your Semrush account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Tools section on the Semrush dashboard. In the Tools section, find the Keyword Research tool. Click on the Keyword Research tool to open it. Now, look for the LinkedIn option within the Keyword Research features. Select the LinkedIn option to access specific features tailored for LinkedIn optimization. You will see a search bar where you can input your target keywords. Enter a relevant keyword or job title that you want to research. After entering your keyword, click the search icon to initiate the research. The tool will generate a list of keyword suggestions related to your input. Review the suggested keywords, which will include search volume, difficulty, and trends. You can filter these keywords based on various criteria such as location or language. Select keywords that align with your LinkedIn profile or company page goals. Make sure to note down the keywords that have a good balance of search volume and competition. Once you have your selected keywords, navigate back to your LinkedIn profile. Edit your LinkedIn profile by clicking the Edit button. Incorporate the chosen keywords into your profile summary, headline, and experience sections. Aim to place keywords naturally to enhance readability and maintain professionalism. After editing, review your profile for any grammatical errors or clarity issues. Once you are satisfied with your changes, click Save to update your profile. Next, consider using these keywords in your LinkedIn posts and articles. Regularly update your profile with new keywords as trends evolve. Periodically revisit Semrush to conduct further keyword research. This practice will keep your LinkedIn presence optimized and relevant. Now you have successfully installed and utilized Semrush for LinkedIn keyword research. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.